Hello everyone, welcome back with AutoCAD tips and tricks how to make hatch without boundary. Okay, here I will create new drawings. I will use a cut ISO template. The next, to make hatch without boundary, we can use min hatch command. You can type minus hatch, press enter. The next, you can type W to choose draw boundary options, press enter again. And for written polyline boundary, you can set no, press enter. In here you can draw, like I will draw simple sketch. You can press C button to close, enter, enter again, and enter. So we already create this hatch without boundary. If you want to edit this hatch, you can double click, and like I will set into NC31 patterns. For scale, like I will set into 20. If you're done, you can click Close Hatch Editor. Okay, that's it, how to create hatch without boundary in AutoCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.